Hi everybody, thanks for joining us today. We are going to now test the Li-Ning 3D break-free N80 Stype. It's another long name. Okay, so before we start the testing, I always talk about the manufacturer's specification. I like to point out that racket to racket, there's always a small variation in that specification, and also that we independently test all of these specs ourselves, and often our results are very different to the ones given by the manufacturer. So the ones I'm reading out now are the manufacturer's specification. To start with, the shaft stiffness is medium flex, so in between soft and hard according to Li-Ning. The weight of the racket is 88 plus or minus 2 grams. Okay, so the weight of the racket 88, and the balance point of the racket 290 plus or minus 3 mil. 290 plus or minus 3 mil. That is we also balance point check all the rackets ourselves, and even though we use millimeters to create our results, this result and our results probably won't correlate. Okay, so don't compare the two of them. This is the manufacturer's specification. We're going to now weigh the racket. Okay, so that technically weighs in the 2U weight category, which is 90 to 95 grams. Now we're going to do a smash test. Okay, that went very well. Time to do a maneuver test to see how quickly this racket can move through the air. Perfect. Now finally we're going to do a control test to see how effective this racket is at controlling the shuttlecock. The results of these tests will be put onto our main site, which will be launched in a few months' time. For the time being, you can register for updates on www.badmintonracketreview.co.uk. There's loads more videos on this channel, so please be sure to watch them. Thanks a lot.